This is a unboxing of a 4-pack silicone case for AirTag. Got this from Amazon for under $10. So let's open this. It's got this up there. There you go. These 4 colors. It has a wet and dry wipe to use, and you've got the handle, and you've got the keychain. So let's see how this works. So I guess you put this onto. There you go. Put it onto here. And then you have 2 types of key rings. A large one and a small one. Let's put this small one here. There you go. There's the key tag. Not bad for this price. Oh, and actually, it also has these things to protect the case, I guess. Let's see what it says. To use this, use a wet wipe to clean the dust on the AirTag, and then use the dry one to dry the AirTag. And then you pretty much put this film on it to protect it. That really doesn't really matter. If you want to do that, you can do it. But it's silicone, pretty soft. Let's see if this comes off. It doesn't seem to come off. So it's pretty good, not bad. So I think I would recommend it.